designed for blonde hair. There is all this. You need to be very gentle. You need to use leave-in conditioner before brushing the hair. You need to not comb the hair when it's very tangled. Just like take care of your hair, and that's everything. Yeah.
Great. Then now I get highlights and a treatment.
So there is one line, it's called the demi. It's an ammonia-free color. So this is what is special on this one. Why I would use this for her? Because this doesn't lift the natural hair. It will be just tone the highlight. So I am using 10V. There is violet inside to neutralize the yellow. Okay, so apply now, and the mixing it's 1+1. This is the processing liquid, and this is the color. Yeah. So, and this is clear, transparent color. Oh yes, yes. Apply everywhere. So we need to apply fast. Yeah, I mixed it.
He loves wasting products.
Okay, so sometimes why I put little more toner. Let's say you see it's good, and then you rinse it, and then you say, oh my God, I need little bit more. So you can put the same toner again. Okay, in some scenarios. So even if you put exactly the same, leave little bit, because in some scenarios, like when you are washing the hair, you know, like there's some areas that you need more time, so you can add that one. Permanent hair color, we leave little natural hair, you know, when the hair is growing, to not be lined, to be like blending. So that's why I use for her ammonia-free color. They're just like, I will be very honest with you, and I want you to understand me. There is some salons, they buy from us monthly 15,000, 20 me, because this is different. You are speaking with the education department. Yeah. So
you think you're okay with the GHD?